Hello everyone, welcome to LRDIprep. My name is Samir Sardana. So this is episode number 6 of 10-minute daily quant with Samir. So in this session today, I'm going to cover this very beautiful question on the concept of linear equation. It says, in how many ways can 144 be divided into two parts such that one part when divided by 5 leaves a remainder of 4, whereas the other part when divided by 8 leaves a remainder of 2. So I need to divide 144 into two such parts, right? One part of 144 when divided by 5 leaves a remainder of 4. Now, whatever that part is, on dividing that part by 5, I'm getting a remainder of 4. So let's say the quotient is x. Can I say that this part that I'm looking for is definitely of the form of 5x plus 4? And this another part, right, whatever that part is, when divided by 8 should leaves a remainder of 2. Let's say the quotient here is y. So can I say this part is 8y plus 2? So that means I want to divide 144 into two such part where one part is 5x plus 4 and the another part is 8y plus 2. Now, both of these two values are coming out of 144. So can I say that summation of these two will be equal to 144? So now use it. That 5x plus 4 and 8y plus 2 will be equal to 144. So I can say that 144 will be equal to 5x plus 4 and the second part is 8y plus 2, and the summation of both will be equal to 144, which can further be written as 5x plus 8y is equal to 138. Now this you can see is a linear equation. Now this 138 is fixed. You can see that, you can clearly see that if I increase the value of x, y has to be decreased because total value is equal to 138. Total value should be maintained at 138. So if I increase the x value, y has to be decreased, right? That means this line is a decreasing line, right? This is a decreasing line, and decreasing line has a negative slope, and the slope of this line will be change in y due to change in x. The change in x is a coefficient of y. Coefficient of y is 8, and change in y is a coefficient of x, change, and that is 5. Because it's a decreasing line, slope will be negative. That means when I increase the value of x by 8, y will get decreased by 5, or if I decrease the value of x by 8, y will get increased by 5. Now I'm supposed to find out in how many ways can this be done. So basically, I'm supposed to find out the integral values of x and y. In how many ways can 144 be divided into two parts such that one part when divided by 5 leaves a remainder of 4? Obviously, x and y, which are taken as quotient, has to be the positive integers, right? So therefore, I'm looking for the positive integral solution of 5x plus 8y equal to 138. Not positive. I'm looking for the non-negative integral solution. Quotient can also be equal to 0. I'm looking for a non-negative integral solution. Now, just look for the first possible integral solution here. If I put y as 1, you see that if I put y as 1, x will be equal to 26. So that's the first solution I'll get. X as 26 and y as 1. To find out the next solution, you can increase the y by 5 and decrease x by 8. Because if I decrease y after this, it will come out as negative values. I don't need to decrease it. I need to increase it because I'm looking for the non-negative integral solution. So next solution will be obtained when you decrease the value of x by 8. That means 18. And y will get increased by 5. It will be 6. Next solution will be decreasing x by further by 8, that is 10, and increasing y by 5, that is 11. Further decrease x by 8, that is 2, and further increase y by 5, that is 16. Now if I decrease x further, you see that if I decrease it further by 8, I'll get negative values of 6. That is not possible because quotient has to be a non-negative integral value. So you see that the four possible quotient of x and y. So that means 144 can be divided into 4 such ways, right? These are the 4 ways. So there are 4 ways of dividing 144 into two such parts, so that one part when divided by 5 gives you a remainder of 4, another part when divided by 8 gives you a remainder of 2. Answer is option number B. Now, if you want to see that, you can straight away just put the value of x and y here. Let's cross verify it also. You see that if I put x as 26, I'll get one value. 5 into 26 is 130. 130 plus 4 is 134. Another part would be 8 into 1 plus 2, that is 10. You see that 134 when divided by 5 will give you remainder of 4. 10 when divided by 8 give you remainder of 2. So similarly, by putting the value of x and y right in 4 different ways, you will be able to divide 144 into two such part, following these two conditions in 4 ways. This option B is the correct answer to the question. So this is from the integral solution of linear equation. Examiner is not asking you directly find out the non-negative integral solution of the linear equation 5x plus 8y is equal to 138. But in statement form, right, this question, if you understand this whole statement, this will lead you to finally this linear equation, where further you can use the concept of integral solution of linear equation. So examiner is asking you the same question, right? That means integral solution of linear equation, but putting it in a statement form, which you need to observe it, right? So it's very important that you understand the statement of the question properly. Only then you will get to reach to this point, and finally you can use the concept that you have learned in the classes of finding the integral solution of linear equation. Thank you so much for watching this video. Uh, To subscribe to Unacademy Plus, use my referral code LRDIprep and the prices is going to up from 31st of March. The new prices will be effective from 31st of March. These are the new prices that you'll have to pay. If you want a plus subscription, right, for CAT exam, do it as soon as possible for 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months, 24 months. From 31st March, these are the prices that will be effective. So now you can purchase a subscription at these prices. Also for iconic subscription, the prices are going to shoot up. Guys, a weekly scholarship test will be happening on next upcoming Sunday at 12 p.m. You can register yourself completely free of cost. Uh, this is the referral code that you can use for the registration of the test, as well as you can use this referral code for the plus subscription also to get 10% off. LRDS Meet Live is a referral code. You can also stand a chance to win the scholarship up to 55 lakh, right? And you can identify and improve your weak areas through detailed video solutions that will be given to you after the test. Thank you so much. See you in the next part of the video.